Good morning, children. Welcome back to part 2 of chapter number 4, The Tree Doctor. And yes, children, I'm very sure that you are really excited to know what's going to happen in part 2. So, without wasting much time, we will quickly start with part 2. And before we could go ahead with reading of the paragraph, let us first understand what happened in part 1. So, let us quickly revise part 1. Now, as we know, children, this chapter is a short biography of the famed Japanese botanist and a tree doctor. And yes, what was the name of the doctor, children? Yes, it was Dr. Tadahiko Yamano. Now, what happened one day? Yes, the typhoon affected Hiroshima. Now, great Chinese nettle tree was completely damaged. Dr. Yamano was actually a tree doctor. So, what he did, children? Yes, he pressed both hands against the tree and closed his eyes in concentration. Through his palms, he could actually feel moisture and he sensed that the tree was actually breathing. And yes, amazing that he actually saved the tree. Now, this was the 828th tree that Dr. Yamano had saved. Now, as we know, children, the children from Fumotomachi Elementary School also cared for this tree. And yes, actually, initially people thought that this tree will not survive, but Dr. Yamano came as a god and he actually saved the tree. And yes, we also went through few lines which also said that after the Second World War, when he Dr. Yamano walked into the mountains, he could sense that many ancient trees had actually lost their vitality, and he was very concerned about this. Now, in Japan, generally what happens is he could often see that braided straw ropes were tied around the trunks of very large old trees, especially in shrine grounds, that means near holy places or along the mountain paths. And yes, children, here we stopped, and that was the end of part 1. So now we are really excited to know that what was the reason and why this particular, braided straw rope was tied around the trunks of very large and old trees. So without wasting much time, children, let us quickly start reading the lesson further. And make sure you're going to sit with a notebook and pen and please note down the important words as well. So let us start reading the lesson. This is a sign of worship and respect. Those who live close to nature believe that gods and spirits reside within the mountains and trees, and they take great care to protect these trees. So, yes, children, now we got the answer why the braided straw ropes were actually tied around the old trees. The reason was it's a sign of worship and respect. So now, children, there are few people who believe that those who are very close to the nature, those who are very close to the mountains, trees, plants, okay, they believe that gods and spirits actually reside within the mountains and trees, and they take great care of them and protect these things. Now, also, Dr. Yamano, what he thinks was, it seemed to Dr. Yamano that he could hear the soul of these old trees calling out to him in their suffering. Now, Dr. Yamano actually used to believe that whenever trees, I mean the old trees especially, whenever they are in suffer, or they are actually feeling that they are going to give up in their life, at that time Dr. Yamano used to come like a miracle, and he used to feel that he can actually listen, he can actually hear to the soul of these old trees, and he actually used to take great care of these trees. So now, dear children, it says that in order to save the trees, however, he must first study them. So yes, children, it was very important for Dr. Yamano to first understand what was the problem. That means first to study the problem of the tree. He would also have to make medicines for the treatment. Of course, children, the way we go to the doctor for any problem, right? First, the doctor says is he will ask us a lot of questions and he will come to a solution, right? He will study what problem we are facing. And accordingly, he will give us the medicines and start the treatment. Similarly, even Dr. Yamano believed that it was very important for him first to understand and study the case of the trees and then come up with a treatment with some medication. But of course, for medication, what you need is time and money. So all of this would take time and money, right? But Dr. Yamano had very little money. His family, however, understood his firm resolve and they stood behind him while he worked at night and studies during the day. That means, children, his family actually supported him. The reason is they thought that, it's very difficult to change his mind. The reason is he was really firm on his decision. Now, children, in those days, damaged trees were reinforced. What do you mean by reinforced? That means the trees were strengthened. How? By filling holes and cracks with concrete. Now, what do you mean by concrete, children? It means a building material made from a mixture of broken stone, sand, cement, and water to fill holes and cracks. Okay, now this method was developed in Europe well over a century ago. But Dr. Yamano felt that trees are living beings, just as we are. Yes, children, this was actually an old method wherein we can, fill the holes and cracks with the concrete. Now, this method was actually developed in Europe, but according to Dr. Yamano, the trees are living beings the way we are. So he never believed in this kind of method. In order to allow them to take in water, air, and nourishment, he decided to use earth and not concrete. So, yes, children, now even he thought the way we are living beings, even the trees need to breathe, right? They need to take in water. They also need a lot of nourishment. So, he thought that instead of using concrete, he can actually use earth to fill any gaps or any cracks in the trees. So now he cut off badly damaged parts and cleaned the trees with the brush. Now, children, what Dr. Yamano used to do is he used to cut off the badly damaged parts of the tree and he used to clean the trees with a brush. Yes, it was really a different method. He also gave them injections and nutrients. Now, what do you mean by nutrients, children? A very special substance which are really essential for daily growth of life. And yes, children, after doing this, he also used to give them medicine that he himself developed. Yes, the medicines were actually developed by Dr. Yamano himself. Now, this combination of internal and external treatment was unheard of at the time. That means, yes, the method that he used was completely different, right? Now, this method was not heard by anyone in those days. And at first, other scholars and specialists ignored his efforts. Yes, children, now few scholars and specialists actually thought that, this method of Dr. Yamano is definitely not going to work. So they started ignoring his method. But to everyone's surprise, children, this method worked. Yes, many old trees revived, that means come back to life, and put forth new birds. So yes, this was really very amazing method, a very unique method. He is now known all over the world as the tree doctor, the man who saved aged and sick trees. So yes, children, now Dr. Yamano was actually very famous in entire world as the best tree doctor who saved aged and sick trees. And his research and work have been taken up by young people who are helping to save trees. So later on, the research which was done by him and the work done by him was taken up by young people. Young people means those who actually were eager or wanted to become tree doctors. So they actually started, understanding his method and research. And they also thought of helping, the trees to save their life. So yes, children, this was the end of the chapter. Now, don't you think, children, that this chapter was really amazing, which actually taught us that every problem in our life has a solution. And very important thing, yes, you should always love nature, the mountains, the trees. Yes, it's true that, they are also living beings and they also can breathe. So we should keep on taking good care of them as well. So yes, dear children, now quickly we will go through few important words from this particular lesson. So yes, children, let us check few new words that we came across today. Firm, hard. Firm, hard. Reinforced, strengthen. Reinforced, strengthen. Concrete. It means a building material made from a mixture of broken stone, sand, cement and water to fill holes and cracks. What do you mean by nourishment? The food necessary for growth, health and good condition. Nutrients. Yes, a substance essential for overall healthy growth. Revived. That means come back to life. Children, now it's time to go through few value points of the chapter. There are few points which I have mentioned on 2 slides. This is the first slide. You can pause the video. If you want, you can write down the points. Children, the reason is this is the summary of the entire chapter. This is the first slide. And this is the second one. As I already mentioned, children, these are all the important points. You can make a note of it. The reason is this is the summary of the entire chapter. Now quickly we will go through reference to the context. Now you can see one line which is mentioned, which is taken from the lesson. In Japan, you will often find braided straw ropes tied around the trunks of very large old trees. Yes, we already know the answer of all the questions, but we will quickly understand how to write these answers. Why was this done? Yes, what was the reason, children? This was done as a sign of worship and respect, right? Yes. Now, where were such trees mostly found? Braided straw rope trees were mostly found in the shrine grounds or along the mountain path. Next one. What had happened to them after the Second World War? After the Second World War, many ancient trees of Japan lost their vitality. Right? So yes, children, this was one example of reference to the context of this particular chapter. So yes, children, we are done with this chapter number 4, the Tree Doctor. I'm sure that you must have definitely loved this lesson. And yes, today we came across a lot of new words. Now, including part 1 and part 2, the new words that we did, make sure that you are going to practice and you are going to write or frame your own sentences. Okay? And one more thing, do not forget to read the entire lesson. It's a really amazing lesson, children. Okay? So, see you again in the next session, children. Till that time, take care. Bye-bye.